Today we're making the best smoked salmon you could ever serve, and it's super simple. To start, we need to brine this salmon, so grab a long, shallow container. Then we'll just line up the fillet and cut it the length you need to make it fit. And if you so choose, you can just fold it over. For the brine, we're going to start with 3 cups of water and add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of salt. To that, we'll add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce and 1/4 of a cup of garlic powder. Then mix it up with a whisk. It's not going to be real easy because the water's cold, but just get it as mixed up as well as you can. Now lay your fillet flat in the bottom of the container. Then we'll just pour all of our brining solution over the top. Make sure the fillet is fully submerged. If you have to, add a little bit more water. Then we'll just cover it tightly and put it in the refrigerator. If possible, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight, but if you need to do it that day, do it for a minimum of 4 hours. When the brining process is over, we'll remove the fillet from the container and rinse it off thoroughly using cold water. After it's completely rinsed off, we'll lay it on a drying rack. Then we'll take a paper towel and pat it till it's completely dry. Be sure that you dry both sides of the fillet. Then we're just going to let it sit on the drying rack for at least an hour. When we're about ready to start the smoking process, get the internal temp of your smoker up to about 200 degrees. Add about a cup of water to your water tray. And put your fillet in the smoker directly on the top rack. My smoker happens to be a pellet smoker. I'm going to use applewood pellets for this. The rest of the cooking process is super simple. Just let it smoke for about an hour. I would add new pellets in at about the 20-minute mark. After an hour, we're going to remove the salmon and put it on a serving platter. Our job is done. Making smoked salmon is super easy using this method, and anybody who's ever ate it just can't get enough of it. It's easily repeatable and comes out great every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.